Okay, so integrated into your rucRak tables, there are, if I can get the camera woman to come in here, there are 8 holes here where you can attach some stuff. So these 4 holes here are license plate size. If you want to relocate your license plate to here, maybe you had it in the middle, or you can also put our quick fist grips in here. This is an American company out of Tennessee, and I'm going to show you how these go on right quick. So you want to lower your table here, and you're just going to have to decide where you want to mount these, what you're putting up here, whether it's an axe or a shovel, or maybe a fishing rod, something like that. But you can put them here, or you can put them outboard here, and you're gonna get a little pack like this with 2 in there, and it's really easy. So you're gonna twist that little knob off, and we're gonna mount these on the inside like this, and then you're gonna have just enough to stick through here to get that on. And this takes a 3/8 socket, 3/8 socket. You can just hold it in your hand and kind of put your finger on the bolt there on the other side and just twist it hand tight, because it doesn't need to be terribly tight, and it'll get really good and tight even with your fingers, and there's no need to wrench down on it. You helium out there, and there you go. So then we can put the other one right here, and then we can put another set out here or out here, however you want to do it.